Gold IRAs have risen in popularity recently as more and more Americans begin to feel the effects of inflation. This may be because you can easily roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a precious metals account, but is this the best choice for you? In this video, we'll break down how gold IRAs work and the simple 3-step process for getting started if you decide you'd like to add gold or silver to your retirement portfolio. Gold IRAs are self-directed retirement accounts that allow you to invest in physical gold as well as other precious metals, like silver. The first step is to select a trusted custodian who can help you begin the steps necessary to setting up your gold IRA. Your custodian will then help you set up a new precious metals IRA account, typically through an IRA or 401k rollover. Once the rollover process is complete, you can then select gold or silver to purchase with your new gold IRA account. There are a few factors you will want to consider when choosing a gold IRA company. These factors include looking at their BBB rating, their number of years in business, their average customer rating, and other factors like their fees and buyback guarantees. There are many gold IRA companies that check all of these boxes, but after conducting hundreds of hours of research, our team found that there is one company that really stands out, and that is Goldco. Our team trusts Goldco for a number of reasons, including, they feature an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance, and they've been in the gold IRA business for more than 15 years. They also boast more than 2,500 5-star customer reviews, offer free shipping, and the highest buyback guarantee. If you're interested in learning more, you can click the link in the description below to get a free Goldco IRA investing kit, or simply visit freegoldirakit.org to get started. So let's recap everything we've just discussed. First, gold IRAs are extremely easy to get started. You just need to connect with a trusted gold IRA company who can walk you through the process. It usually involves completing a 401k or IRA rollover, which a trusted custodian will help you with. Our team has done extensive research, and Goldco is our #1 choice for gold IRA companies. Learn more and get a free gold IRA investing kit by clicking the link in the description below, or by visiting freegoldirakit.org. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your precious metals investing journey.